Today Sarah and I are going to make some delicious breaded chicken. We had 2 chicken breasts that we cut, and now in one of these bowls we're going to add 2 eggs, and it is in here that we're going to add the salt. There's a little piece of shell. We're going to add a bit of salt to taste, and then we're just simply going to beat these up. We're going to put the chicken breast strips right in here, and over here we're going to get some of these breadcrumbs that we made the other day from just leftover bread. We're not going to put all of them in here because we don't know how much we will need. We're going to get each strip of chicken and simply bread it on all sides. There. And we'll place it right back here on this board. And then do the same thing with all of them. Just let the excess drip off, and then nicely coat it with breadcrumbs. And it's best not to use your fingers because it will get really messy. We're gonna keep doing this until they're all done. The nice thing about preparing chicken this way, you can really stretch one chicken breast into several nice pieces, and you can feed quite a few people with it. Let's put this back over here. Here we have some vegetable oil. We're going to place it in this pan and then put it out inside the oven. And what's so nice doing it outside, you will not have the smell of fried food in the house. Today we're using the gas oven. To do this chicken, the oven needs to be at about 350 degrees as well as the oil. Whenever you cook in the gas oven, it's important to know what the internal temperature of the oven is, and this looks pretty good. Our oil is nice and hot, and we're ready to put the chicken in. And here we go. We're gonna place all the strips in. We might make it in 2 batches. Let me see. Although they might fit. And we'll place this back into the oven. We're going to leave them on this side for about 3 to 4 minutes and then flip them around. Time is up, and we can begin to flip them. Carefully. Let's carefully put them back in. And look at these beauties. They are nicely browned and ready to come out. And here we go. We have some of this yellow paper placed there, just so it can absorb the oil dripping out. And then we'll be able to plate them and serve them. And now the best part. It is time to plate our chicken. Call everybody to the table, and we are going to have a delicious lunch. Now, to finish it off, it is always so good to add just a bit of parsley for color, and then we love to serve it with just a bit of lemon wedges. And this is going to be a wonderful lunch, and we are going to wish you un buon appetito.